In this video, we will demonstrate one of Crestron Configure Pro's unique features. Configure Pro can connect to multiple Crestron home systems in two ways. We will connect to our demo system first. By clicking the New Window button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, Configure Pro will spawn another instance of itself. This new instance can connect to the same Crestron home processor as the first, or a different Crestron home processor. Here, we see two instances of Configure Pro connected to the same Crestron home system. Crestron Configure Pro will allow multiple computers to connect to the same Crestron home processor. Imagine one technician working on the lighting while another works on the HVAC. Simultaneous connections to the same processor is supported for up to 5 instances. Multiple instances running on the same computer are supported up to 5 instances. To avoid configuration corruption, do not save conflicting changes in multiple instances connected to the same system, including mixed usage of the Crestron Home Setup app and Configure Pro. If multiple instances are running Discovery simultaneously, the results are only displayed in one of the instances. This concludes our video on multiple connections using Crestron Configure Pro.